Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech Tip and Guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Reddit or create a Reddit account. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store and download the Reddit app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now you can sign in using your Google account, your Apple account, or using your email. You can do it with whatever you want, but for now, we'll simply do it through our email. So tap on Continue with Email. Now enter your email. Now type in your username. Now create a password for your account and tap Continue. Now you can choose your preference over here, but for now we'll simply skip this process. And there you have it. You have successfully created a Reddit account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.